And finally, through our workshops and community partnerships, we're already helping communities across London explore the world of AI and digital technology. When you join us, you'll gain practical digital skills and confidence, the kind of knowledge that you can use in everyday life, at school, or in your career. You'll also develop a clear understanding of AI, how it works, how it's shaping society, and the ways it's influencing everything from the apps we use to the creative tools we love. You'll get the chance to discover the creative and ethical possibilities of technology, from building digital art and music to understanding how AI can be used responsibly. Our workshops help you see technology not just as a tool, but as a way to solve problems, express yourself, and make a positive impact. Along the way, you'll connect with others through shared learning experiences, building a community of curious, like-minded people who are excited to experiment and explore together. Every workshop, every tool, and every resource we create is designed to help you learn, explore, and imagine a better digital future, and it's all completely free. If you have any questions or want to explore more on your own, be sure to check out our YouTube Learning page, where we share videos, tutorials, and guides to help you dive even deeper into AI and digital creativity. So why not join us today? Step into the world of AI, get hands-on experience, and bring your curiosity to life. Learn, create, and discover with AI Fire Labs, because the future is digital and it's waiting for you.